Hello, are you ready to take your education to the next level in a European country? Let me introduce you to one of the most exciting study destinations in Europe, Cyprus. Cyprus is not just about excellent education, it's also home to some of the most iconic locations you'll ever see. From stunning universities to vibrant cityscapes, Cyprus has it all. So why Cyprus? Let me break it down for you. Here are some reasons why Cyprus stands out as a top study destination.
Worried about your English test scores? Don't be. Many universities in Cyprus accept students with low English test scores, making it easier for you to apply. Get your admission letter in as little as 1 week. No long waiting times. Your journey to studying abroad starts quickly. Cyprus offers one of the most straightforward and student-friendly visa procedures. We'll guide you step by step to ensure your application is smooth and stress-free. Study in top-notch universities without breaking the bank. Plus, you can work part-time during your studies to gain experience and support yourself financially. Got gaps in your education? That's okay. Cyprus welcomes students with major gaps in their academic history, offering second chances to pursue your dreams. Had a visa rejection before of any country? Don't worry, you can still apply for Cyprus and start fresh with new opportunities.
The requirements to apply are simple with Mackwins education. 1. A valid high school diploma or equivalent for bachelor's programs, and a graduation degree for master's programs. 2. Proof of English proficiency test like IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE. 3. Some extra documentation like a medical report and PCC, etc. And last, of course, your passion to grow. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards your dream education in Cyprus with Mackwins Education Private Limited. Apply now and unlock a world of opportunities.